YouTube, how's it going? Well, I actually achieved something of a victory today. I actually finished work on the front lawn. The sucker is actually completely cut. First time in several months since the weather turned hot. And I've been working at it for about like 2 weeks now, weather permitting. And I finally got that sucker done. Now, of course, there's another challenge, the backyard. And after I spend tomorrow doing some running around, Tuesday I will be starting on that project. Here's hoping that one doesn't take 2 weeks to do, because by the time the backyard is done, I'll have to start in front again. Oh well. Isn't it amazing how something as simple as mowing the lawn can be a victory? Well, it certainly can when you can only do about 20 minutes worth of it at a time and you have to use a weed eater instead of a lawnmower. Boy, ain't that a mess. Anyway, that's it for today. Take it easy. I'm out of here.